everyone. Take the front portion of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself. Add a decorative piece. Using the decorative piece as a section, make a braid out of it. Take another section right underneath it. Include the first braid into it. Make another braid. Repeat the same step at the bottom and make your final braid, and it should look as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself, and then add a decorative ribbon to it. Now, using the ribbon as a section, make 2 braids out of the hair as such. Tie a rubber band to it, and then once you're done, lift it up and then tie it up in place using some small decorative clips on either side. Next, start off by taking a section off the top, roll the hair in on itself, add a bow with extra sections to it. Using the sections as a decorative piece and as a section of the braid, begin to braid the hair. You may make 2 braids out of one of the sides at the back as such. Then, join them all together, make a braid at the bottom, roll it up, tie it up using the ribbon that is left over, and then make a bow out of it. Add a ribbon at the top and then using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of the hair. Proceed to do this until you reach the bottom, do this on either side. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, wrap the remaining of the ribbon around it, tie it up as another bow as such. Next, tie a ponytail, divide the ponytail into 2 parts, add a rubber band to the middle of each of them. Divide each of them into sections, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up, tie it up into a bun as such. Twist the rest of the hair around it and then fasten it in place using a rubber band. Add a decorative clip to it once you are done. Add a ribbon to the top of the hair and then use the ribbon as a section of a braid. Braid the remaining sections of the hair. Do this until you reach the bottom. Now, once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it. Make sure that it is tight. Tie a rubber band at the back, make a ponytail, join both the braids at the back, make 2 braids out of it, and then using the rest of the ribbon, make another bow out of it. Thank you for watching.